Oftentimes, individuals don't think about hearing and hearing protection. And the sounds of summer, actually some of the sounds can be quite loud. We're often outside using equipment such as a lawnmower or a chainsaw or a tree trimmer. Those types of loud sounds can really be hazardous to one's hearing, and people should wear hearing protection when using any type of power tool. Hearing protective devices are available in a wide variety. Anything from your very basic circumaural ear muffs to something more high-tech that are custom made. You can come into an audiologist's office, we take impressions of the ears, and we make custom plugs. So for summer, make sure you're protecting your hearing.